How to split screen on Mac. Now, split screen can be very helpful if you're trying to multitask or be at your maximum productivity level. So how do you split screen? Let's say I open up Safari and Messages. So as you can see, I have two tabs open. To split screen, I can just hold one application, drag it to one side, and you can see an outline has already come up. I can let go, at which point this application is automatically going to take up half my screen. Similarly, I'm going to do the same for Safari. And as you can see, these two applications are working in conjunction. Now, as you can see, these two applications are working together. Great. Now, if I want to change the layout a little bit, I can drag the application out and it's going to take its normal form, let's say. But if I take it up to a corner, it's going to take up 1/4 of my screen rather than half of my screen. I can do that for both applications. And as you can see, let's open up more applications so that I can show you. Now, some applications are incapable of actually taking up just 1/4 of your screen. Now, it may become bigger. As you can see with the App Store, it's actually getting bigger and it's going to just overlay, but still it is not the worst. It's actually going to help you be more productive. But one way to get there is just adding a simple button to your Action Center, and that button is Tile. Now, if I go to Action Center and hit Edit Controls, and over here, if I go to Desktop and Finder, you can see I have three options for tiling. So tile windows to the left and right, tile windows to corners, or tile windows left and corners. You can just hit the plus icon on the top and it's going to give you an option to add it to the control center or the menu bar. So the top bar is called menu bar. Here you can see we have a plus sign to add icons over there as well. But for now, we'll just add it to the action center or the control center. And here you can see we have tiles corner to the left. We're going to add control center so that I can just show you all of them. So now that we are done, you can see I have three icons on the bottom. Let's open up applications and see how we are able to work with them. So here we have a button for the left tile. As you can see, it automatically took that command and it's going to split screen for us, and it's going to do that with all the applications that are open, so they are not minimized. And if I do the second one, where one application is just taking half the screen and the other two are taking 1/4 each, that works as well. And then we have all four that work together. So that is very helpful, especially again if you're trying to be productive and multitask. Now, some applications, if they fit edge to edge, you can see an arrow pops up, in which case, as you can see, I can resize the applications according to my liking and do what is best for me. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.